How to set screen lock type to swipe or none on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by tapping on the home button at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down and then tap on lock screen and AOD. From here, tap on screen lock type. Then put in your current PIN and tap on continued. After that, you can select swipe. And this is what happens when you select your when you set your screen lock or the lock screen to swipe. So you can lock your device, and on the lock screen, all you have to do is swipe, and that will allow you to go back to your home screen or your previous app. And if I set it to none, then basically I have turned off the lock screen. So if I lock my device, if I turn it back on, it will go directly to my home screen or the previous app. So no longer do I have the lock screen anymore because I have selected none. And that's it. Finally, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.